As kids, we all learn that white light splits to create the 7 colors of the rainbow. We humans perceive color as a phenomena of light, and our eyes allows us to see a multitude of colors. So how exactly does that work? The human eye has 3 types of color or cone photoreceptors. Each cone type responds to a different range of wavelengths within the visible light spectrum, with the highest sensitivity to red, green, and blue wavelengths. These 3 primary colors define how we see color. This is called the additive color model, which states that all perceivable colors can be made by mixing different amounts of red, green, and blue light, the primary colors of the additive color system. Let's do an experiment to understand that better. Let's take a sheet of white paper and 3 colored lights, red, green, and blue. If we shine these lights individually, we see them as they are in their true color. But if we shine all these lights at once, we see white light. This is because all 3 of our cone receptors take in light at the same time, and our brains interpret the red, green, and blue light as white. Now let's take any object and place it between the screen and the lights. What do we see? We will be able to see 3 distinct colored shadows of the objects in the colors cyan, magenta, and yellow. This is the additive color theory in play. When an object blocks one of the lights at a certain angle, we get a shadow behind, whose color is a mixture of the other 2 lights. The sensitivities of the 3 lights overlap to let us see all visible colors. Slight changes in the relative signals of the cones enable us to see a myriad of different color combinations, which is why we see more than just 3 colors.